Yeah.
Take one.
Oh, it actually started that time. So far, so good. It hasn't fallen off the windshield.
That ain't. That freaking sticks.
Yeah, that thing, I'm shocked. It's not just a suction cup, it's got that goo on there. She's looking pretty shaky. We'll see how it does on the road. If nothing else, you can put this on your window in your office when you're editing. Be like, so people, we've got some editing going on here. That windshield is dirty. Woo! This little dog over here.
Axel.
Where are you going?
Yeah, that's what I mean, because this ride's so rough, so it's like...
Mm-hmm.
She needs some fuel.
Got some dyed diesel back there. Good thing we got the anti-lock in there. And the park brakes on, so we're not gonna go too fast. That's what we need, is that house and shop thing right there. I think it's sweet. This I'm not so sure about.
Red, white, and blue.
It's just weird. The whole thing's weird.
Locked up. Fuel in.
Yeah, we're probably gonna run out of fuel before we get there.
No.
Whoa! All these train tracks will be fun.
Yeah, we died.
Oh yeah. Oh, that one shook that good.
That's what I mean. It's like the GoPro's like the only option for here. Because they're wide enough. So maybe we'll go back. Because at this point, we probably should be hanging out for the rest of the night.
Yeah.
Plug it in, get it charging. So at least we can mock it up in here, pull it up on my phone, and see what kind of what it's looking like, and then go from there.
I can get behind that.
But what year is your GoPro?
Mine's the 8. So it's a year old maybe. And I just got 4 more batteries for it.
And it's at your house?
Yeah. I could go grab it.
I filmed stuff on my GoPro in the past.
I said Cole wants to run the single cabs.
He was headed back. I thought he was headed up there.
He was, but I don't know what time I saw it. Like what time he posted it from what time I saw it. How you tell me?
Because I filmed on my GoPro in the past, and it's so old, and it's like on the new ones you can make it flat so it doesn't fisheye.
Yeah.
So that might be the best bet to like try it out and see. Then I know. It's like, okay, Cole, go drop $400 on the new GoPro.
Alright.
Because then plus you can pull it up on your phone and hit record while it's right here on the dash. You know what I mean?
Size, but yeah, you can just run it right from your phone.
Jeez, that's reverse. Whoops. Why is there so many bikers today?
Probably one of their last little rides. telling you, this weekend has been ridiculous. And they've only got diesel on 2 pumps there.
Well, that car's not even pumping. They've only got diesel on 1 pump there.
Dirty rotten Jews.
And I don't know if I would make it to town or not. I mean, I probably would. Joe, tell the people, or I guess we could stop it and check it out. Let's see.
No, I can talk. So right now we're riding in Kole's first gen. Do we have a name for this thing yet?
Gen 1.
Gen 1. Okay, so Gen 1. We don't even know if you can hear us. This is the first filming that we're doing. These roads, I don't know if you can tell, they're a little rough. Cole, tell us a little bit about your truck here. What you got done to it? Horsepower is putting down.
It's a 1990 first gen with a 94 motor trans, P-pump, compound turbos.
What size?
Fuel, S367 and S480. Some 5x18s and a 165 pump that's turned up as about as much as you can.
So that's really next is the pump. Because you got the air, you just need the fuel. And what were you running on the dyno? I know we dynoed it last year at Vlogfest, but you haven't dynoed it this year yet, have you?
I dynoed it at Randy's. And we did 702. And this pump is maxed out. So that's all we're getting for this year.
Okay. Then in the works, with everybody's help, it'll get fully bagged. Get a nice paint job, new pump.
I want the pump to be first, but it'll probably be paint job first. Then probably pump, and then hopefully suspension. So the video isn't so shaky.
Yeah. Oh, that was a good one.
Oh, I could go there. That pump's open.
Their pumps are down?
No, that pump's open. That's going to be good on video.
Okay, well, I just ordered some Mob Army stuff, so some
What's
Mob
that?
armor. So Mob are these like nice mounts that you get, these magnetic little stick pads that you stick wherever you want, and then it's a magnetic mount, but it like doesn't shake near as bad. You hook your phone up to it, or you can get a GoPro hookup
Right,
for it.
but the problem is for the phone side of it, because my phone will need to be facing that way. And I can't stick a magnet on the screen. You catching my drift?
Yeah, but it'll still work with the way that these clamp. It's a small faceplate, and then it's got these 2 slides that actually grab the bottom 2 corners and then the top center of your phone. So you'll be able to see it pretty decent. And then, yeah, once you get it figured out where you want, it's got the mag pad. So then you disconnect the whole mount off the little pad. And you just take the whole mount off. But then you know where in your cab exactly you want to put everything. So they work pretty good. So those should be here in like 2 days.
Let me get some fuel!
It's gonna be jam-packed.
No!
Nope, the minivan's not going there. You're good. This minivan's not pulling up in that pump. Even if they are, just pushing out of the freaking way. Can you make this turn?
No.
You want me to tell him to go?
No, she can come. She's coming.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's nice. 17-point turn. Should we go race this Subaru?
They don't want the smoke.
This guy. One of them will do it.
Yeah, I'll race whoever.
We're trying to get some kids at the gas station
Come on,
to
let's
race
run
this.
them! What? No, I'm not. These are just street tires. These are Ditto 420s. It's a clapped out farm truck.
Way too many of these with over 900 horsepower.
It's just a clapped out farm truck.
Pop the hood.
No way, not until we race. Not until you race.
I learned this the hard way. You pop the hood. Hey, what's that? That just means a better exit. That's all.
It's all for show, guys. It doesn't.
It's all for show.
save myself the embarrassment.
That would
Okay.
be fun, wouldn't
Are
it?
you guys from
Pretty
Heber?
sure I saw this truck at
You
the
guys are?
shop meet down like the
No,
other
that
day.
was a different
Where,
truck
you're
that looked
from
like
Heber?
this. That was
Yeah,
not
we
this
are too.
truck.
I'm pretty sure it was this truck.
No.
One way to find out.
Yeah, I feel like this was something as shit.
It's a clapped out 1990 first gen.
It's actually a gasser.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
it actually is electric.
Yeah.
No.
You guys have boys. You guys have boys in Heber that would run this.
Gio! You want to race the
Jackson and
Clemens?
Potion will race anything, so
Yeah, Bryce smokes all of us. I know my friend would. He has a Charger. So that's about it.
Yeah, there's not much that goes on in Heber. Have you guys gone to Little Mexico out there before?
No.
You guys never been to Little Mexico?
Missing out.
Oh my gosh.
Is it crazy?
Yeah, that's like Race City. It's like straight out of Need for Speed shit.
Dude, that's so.
I probably wouldn't. This is a pig to drive. This usually stays home, and I drive the other truck. So this is just the one that puts around here, and I was like, let's see if any of these kids want them further around. But
That thing's so sick, though.
okay, boys. Well, you guys have a good one.
You too, big dog.
See ya.
I'll try if it'll spool.
I don't have VTEC power for that.
We're poor, and here's the problem.
No.
1 second. I'm gonna flip around.
These kids, dude. I'm pissed somebody wouldn't at least race you.
Kids don't want to hang. Kids can't hang. The old
Scared
place.
of an old freaking farm truck. I'm pretty sure I saw this truck in that meet over at the shop. No, definitely a different truck.
Oh, yeah. I didn't realize that kid was there.
Yeah, that's what he was saying. So he definitely saw the burnout. That's fine.
This isn't the smartest of you.
Are you gonna pull through the light?
I don't think I'll be able to.
That would be so funny. Just do a massive burnout.
Yeah, right, Joe.
Oh. What? It's all for the content.
It's all for the content. Tell my ass is in jail.
I'll bail you out. That would have been fun though.
Yeah, heck yeah, little Honda.
Little pansies. Even if you know you're gonna get beat, it's still fun to race
Yeah,
people.
it's still fun.
It's just funny they knew they were gonna get stopped. Now, you don't have a big old diamond stack.
Lesson learned. Don't pop the hood until you race.
Yep. Bummer. Find somebody.
Yeah, right. It's Heber.
Even the Charger you would have stopped, dude.
Unless the Charger was there that night.
Oh, one other thing this truck needs is crossover steering.
And traction bars front and rear.
We were doing four-wheel boosted launches the other night and about went left into a building. It pulled way hard to the driver's side. And then we blew a boot.
That is facts. That is factual evidence.
Yes. It was a thing. It is a nice evening though. These shoulders are going to be way nice.
What are they doing with it?
Just widening them. I think stuff like Swiss days and things like that, or maybe just to have a little more road for safety. Nothing blew up.
70 pounds of boost. Nothing crazy, casual.
Just a daily driver.
Daily driver first gen.
Put the 40-footer hooked onto this with two other trucks behind it. There we go.
Doesn't even have a ball in the bed.
You don't need one. We'll do one of their like crazy contraptions that they do the gooseneck hitch right out of the.
We need to watch the
seat
part
bar?
where we go over that.
Just whenever it says 40-foot trailer, it's about 5 seconds after that. Another update, we're going to look at a 40-foot PJ trailer to be able to.
Monday.
Yeah, on Monday. It's currently Saturday. To be able to haul multiple trucks to shows. Because, you know, we don't hunt. We just work and then play with trucks. So,
It's the only
that's
way
how
to
we
do it.
spend our time.
What's this guy doing?
He's running in front of this truck and boat. Can you take a picture? Oh, nope, the binoculars. He's seeing something over there on the hillside. To give you guys an idea of what our view is like inside the cab here. This is what I see when the turbo lights can't see anything. Set up.
That's just a tent. Trailer tent.
That's what we need.
That's what we need, Joe.
Don't ask me why, but we got the hula
This is
dancer.
our torque indicator.
Yeah, so when she leans down towards us, we know that it's really getting on
It's
us.
really, really torquey.
Yep. It's our cool Walmart mount. Definitely lost traction.
Whoops. Sorry, neighbors.
I think they're used to it by now.
I'd hope so. But
Now we're going down this gnarly gravel road. Whoa, sorry everybody, that's gonna make you seasick right there. And we're back to check out the content.